प्ले की आवाज सुनाई दी। गेंद है अशोक डिंडा के हाथ में। और बहुत बढ़िया शुरुआत डिंडा की यहां।
Likes to go hard at that. Will get away this time. Jalit Saxena hasn't timed it too well. Just about manages to get to the boundary. He likes to flash and flash hard. Jalit Saxena will get another boundary. Wide, there's a man at point who is placed deep, and he's gone. That's good thinking by Manoj Tiwari.
बढ़िया शॉट, बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट, लाजवाब टाइमिंग।
आतिश जरूर था, भाग्यशाली रहे।
Hits it firmly. The ball will have enough on it to go to the boundary.
And he's knocked him over. This delivery came back in. It's a beauty to get rid of Rajat Patida.
बेहतरीन शॉट, अच्छा ड्राइव, अच्छा ऑफ ड्राइव, 4 रन के लिए।
But this hasn't been a struggle at all so far. He has timed that beautifully.
That's a beautiful shot.
A beautiful shot, nicely timed shot by Namanoja.
Hammered away off the back foot. It'll stay hit and travel to the boundary. Again on the front foot. If you take a look at that again from the square angle, I don't think he would have taken a big stride out, but he still get 4 runs right from the middle of the bat, and he's got a very efficient half century.
खिलाड़ियों का बेहतरीन उपयोग, 4 रन के लिए।
Oh, terrific shot. There is a deep point in place, but he'll be just a spectator.
Catches the call. It's a soft dismissal. Edge has gone through just wide to the left of Gali, because he's just got to his half century.
बाहरी किनारा, और ये बहुत बड़ा विकेट यहां। 4 रन मिलेंगे यहां।
बाहरी किनारा और थर्ड मैन दिशा में 4 रन के लिए।
Great. Terrific shot that. Worked it through the leg side. Found the gap beautifully there.
That's brilliantly played over square leg. You don't have to bother running for that.
Outside edge, goes past the diving slip fielder. There's no third man. He'll collect a boundary.
बढ़िया शॉट, बेहतरीन शॉट, कोई मौका नहीं, 4 रन के लिए।
Hitting the toe end of the bat, but it's in the gap. Doesn't matter if it sounded a little woody, it'll run away to the boundary very quickly. VP Singh will continue. It's a superb strike here from the skipper, Bandela. Dot ball to win the over. 87 overs have been bowled, so we're not getting the 90 overs. The umpire says they've had enough for today, enough cricket for today. So in 6.5 hours, they've managed to bowl 87 overs. So they'll probably be making up the 3 overs tomorrow. Madhya Pradesh put into bat, finished the day reasonably well. 254 for 4.